One right here.
All right, the screw right.
Yeah. All right, we got it off. We gotta take off the sensor. Hold on. Put it right here so I get it. Right here is the sensor. We gotta take that off. And it's I think it's sensor on the side, and then the bumper should go off.
No, it's another one that's screw, right?
This motherfucker on it.
What exactly? What screw is supposed to take this off?
What do you mean?
Oh, you finna pop it off?
Yeah, you pop these off.
It's on the ground. Now it's on the bottom.
It's on the ground. I heard it hit the ground.
You gonna set the screw,
bro. Set it on that side, or on that side somewhere.
Let's set screw down.
I don't want to.
You don't want that shit to. I don't want it to fly again, huh?
I don't want it to break.
It's a flathead right here. Well, you already got a flathead? Yeah, you got a flathead.
There's another one right here too. I want to set them on the ground.
It's coming out, come on. It's coming
I'm
out.
gonna set them right here.
All right there?
Yeah, I'm gonna set them right there. Wait,
hold on, still wires, still wires.
Yeah, wait, hold on.
Hold it, come on inside, come on here. Right here, come on right here. Should be able to clip it off, I think.
Should be able to turn it down. There we go. Twist it.
Twist it.
Hold on. You should be able to twist it.
Oh, yeah, I see. Oh, he actually look at the tutorials. Hey, what's that? What's that? Stingray or a Z? A Fair Lady Z?
Like Corvette, Stingray. I don't know. I can feel it.
That's a saw marker right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's taking off.
I mean, you could.
So you take the whole saw marker off.
It's always the other. It's always
Boom.
the right side.
It's loot. Might just take this off.
That's a clip on.
Now the whole thing should pop off.
You can either.
Like this.
You can either do all how to do it that way, but it's not coming out. And I don't want to pop this motherfucker off.
You did put the flash.
See, that's tight.
Pull it out.
Look like it.
It want to come out, but it don't. See it right there. This way.
You took that one out, right? Inside?
Yeah, I just turned down one and took it right out.
Keep turning it.
There
There you go.
Oh, so you just. Oh,
So all you do is keep them on turning.
Set that motherfucker on the floor. Oh, this one right here too. That one.
So I could go bumperless, huh?
Yeah.
Wait, what? If I
Whoa.
do that, I gotta. What is this? Turbo? Man? I gotta. I know there's one right here too. It's not broke, huh? Oh,
It go right there. That's the only screwdriver, my nigga. I know that's not the only screwdriver.
Man, right motherfucker acting like it won't come out. Like, come out yet. Should be something. 40, nigga.
You got it. Hey, Jeremiah, where you put the other screw at?
I got the bumper screws on right there.
Come on, sit. Oh, shit. Oh, I gotta disconnect it. Hold on. It's a clip, so you just clamp it out. Damn.
Gotta pull them out.
There you go. Yeah.
You know how to take them out, right?
Yeah. I'm lying.
Twisting, goddamn. That's it.
I ain't gonna lie, nigga finna fuck up. I ain't gonna lie.
You know what Mario said? WDD 40.
WDD 40.
Oh shit.
WDD 40. Well, these.
Oh, this one.
Twist them.
I'm talking about this one. This little thing right here.
Power. That's the main.
Oh,
Clamp that, right?
where the? Is it? You push down on these?
It seemed like it.
Down or up? Hold on. Let me go on this side.
Let me see the percentage. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh yeah.
Try to pull it from like the middle right here.
Good luck, man. Good luck. Good.
But
Hey, hold it like a fish. Oh yeah, I still gotta take the sensors off too. This one don't seem like the cords is longer on this
where
one.
the?
I think this side we might have to work on like underneath. I can see the suspension right here. Fucking coilovers.
You don't need to tweak these.
I'm finna go get your keys. Finna get your keys.
Where he at? Upstairs?
Nah, that nigga know. He right there on the couch. I don't know if he just got in the shower or something. That nigga woke up.
That nigga don't shower.
On his phone, nigga. Hey, Fat gonna have the best time in his life when he come out here hugs. That nigga be my roommate, nigga.
Everybody got cars and shit.
Oh, that's all I was telling Fat like, nigga, we all got cars, my nigga, we all can do stuff now. So it's like,
come on, man.
You know, people got girls, they don't want to leave their girl out here because they don't, you already know how girls is.
I mean, I don't trip, nigga.
You cannot leave them motherfuckers out here by themselves. You got to take them where you gotta go. Like, you going somewhere far, you got to take them. You don't want to, you don't got to. I mean, you don't, but who got the time to sit there and get accused of shit that you ain't got nothing to do, you just chilling with family?
Man, get your girl who trusts you, nigga.
oh God, I don't trust you,
On me.
No, but you gotta understand, when you trust a motherfucker, they always fuck up. And when you don't trust them and you got trust issues, they don't do nothing. I swear to God. What is that?
IS 300. That's the one you got, right? This nigga broke the box.
It was no light. All right, go. You got it through there? Yeah, okay.
I can feel it. Keep doing it. Yeah, keep dropping it.
While you struggling there?
Nah, I got it. Bet. Watch this.
It should have been slid through.
There we go.
I think he's struggling. It should have been through.
100 IQ, nickel. Alright.
Ooh, the headlight on the floor or on the plastic?
Plastic. Move this out the way for I want you to do.
I ain't seen butterflies.
You tied it to the right.
You don't got no aluminum.
You struggling over there?
Huh?
No, yes, I have.
Oh, see, look. I'm a bot. Be in the bot.
And what'd you do? You unlock it?
Yeah. See? That's what happened when you don't be paying attention. You see how, like, I would have missed that whole thing? I'll put that in right.
My nigga, you got the whole box weak, my nigga. Oh, yes.
It would make me worse if you keep some sitting on it.
Oh, that big ass. As soon as this big ass little settle, I'm gonna go over the guy's school. Yo, we know that, Jakeem.
Hear y'all niggas talking about it?
Hey. Yeah, nigga.
What happened?
What you got over here?
Yeah.
Yep, that's how I'm trying to get this shit on there.
Okay, put it inside. Show me inside this one. Yeah. Shout it out. Let's see. So the bulb should be, let me see. Is it in? Yeah, it should be in. I guess. Fuck.
I got to just clamp this one in. You just gotta tighten it back up. Then this headlight is already stuck. It's in there, and that ain't coming out. If you tighten it up.
Are you hooking? It's hooked in already?
Yeah, it's already hooked up. We just gotta. You could start hooking that one up too since it's done already. We just gotta.
No, I got this orange part right here.
Oh yeah, put that in. I don't know.
Cause I did it with that one, and that shit was right there.
What? My pocket. Yeah, am I screwing it? Where the?
Good. What's going on over here?
Screwing this in.
Now I'm plugging in the sensor. I'm trying to see it.
I'm not fucking. Oops. Sorry, guys. I do not know who did it. I gotta make that motherfucker tight.
This man over here showing me.
Where's the thing go, my nigga?
I know you heard that.
What?
Put it in.
Nah, I ain't here.
Or go ahead and try, see if you can
Did you connected it?
yeah, it's connected. See if you can turn the headlights on, see if it even though the sun is out, I don't know if you can see it.
Ain't this a screw missing?
Oh key.
It still come on without the keys, shit.
I hear it.
You know?
Yeah.
That one up?
Ooh, that motherfucker look good.
Oh, it's on? What at the top? You know? Oh yeah, it is on. Well, nigga did a good job. You have like a G35?
I give it for you. They're like $100.
100? You have anything less than that? You have anything less than that?
Well, no, that's the cheapest.
That's cheapest?
Because Sylvanian models are $149.
Well, I have a base model. It's a G35 coupe.
I understand. I'm saying the cheapest bulb like that is $99.99, which is $100.
Oh, I'm good.
I got one for you for one.
Infinity? How much? It will work. I'm just kidding. I gotta get on. I'm trying to get on today. Today.
Yeah, I got it right here. At home.
So, headlight is on. Hold on, let me finish. Let me tie this a little down a little bit more. All right. Now look. Watch that. Come on.
Yeah.
It's on.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if y'all know, that one on that side didn't come on, but that one did. But that one this one is a different color. This one is a different color from this one. Oh no, it's not. It looks the same. Oh, it's the same on camera. But in my eyes is see it different. But yeah, I'm about to set the bumper and shit back on and then roll down.
Oh, we just dropping it down. You can show them the front a little bit. See what it look like. This shit look hard. Chrome. I'm going bumperless right now. I ain't gonna lie. My boy Jay right there. It's coming together though. I'm waiting for my front bumper. Once my front bumper come in, then that's when I'm put the front bumper back on there. Right now I'm doing bumperless until the bumper come, which is gonna come this Friday. So, nigga, we gonna thug it out and then we'll be good. Then also I'm doing a clear coat right here. I'm getting that off. Once I get all this off, then everything, the paint gonna match and it's gonna be all right. So, we good though, but danging them at the chest tires. Oh, we good. All right, now do it again. All right, now do the blinkers. Okay. All right, just the high beam, no blinkers, no nothing. Hey, that was hard. What you just do? You see that shit? Do that again with the. Yeah, you made it like double click or something. Yeah, what the hell? What are you doing? Oh, you keep going off and on, huh?
I'm pressing it.